Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm making unripe plantain moi moi, but I didn't show the video at the beginning because I have a lot to catch up with, guys. So I'm just done blending the plantain. Here it is. If you want to know the procedure from the beginning, you can just click on Mommy did the unripe plantain moi moi and everything will just come out beautifully. But here today, the one that I will be doing today, it has been blended. I'm just done blending everything. Nothing changed. It's just like the previous one. All the ingredients I used there, that's the same thing that I also use everything here. I didn't add anything on the dots. So if you want to know more about unripe plantain moi moi, just click on Mommy Did It Kitchen, Mommy Did It channel, guys, and everything will come out. So now I will be adding salt and the rest ingredients like salt, mangi, just one mangi cube, because you know this is not beans, this is plantain, so it have its own taste already. You don't need to add a lot of mangi to bring out the taste. It's already tasting itself. I'm just going to add vegetable oil now, then salt and one mangi cube. Yeah, we are done. That's just all. That's just all you need to prepare delicious unripe plantain moi moi, guys. Look at the beautiful look already. You see it? I will be right back to show you the amazing results. Though this bowl is too small, I will change it so that it will enable me to mix the rest ingredients. Don't go nowhere. Watch out. Here we go. Just add one mangi cube. In goes salt to taste. And lastly, vegetable oil. Yes, I'm not using oil, guys, so that it will not be excess. I will stir everything together. Stir it very well, mix it very well until the oil is well combined. If you think that the consistency is too thick, you can add water to lighten it a little bit. Yeah, but as for me, I think I don't need to add water because I don't like too much soft, over soft moi moi. Yeah, this is just what I need. You can see that. Continue to stir everything together until the oil is well combined. Then you test the salt. If the one you put is not going to be enough, you just add it little by little so that you will not cook over salted. Yes, here we go, guys. In here I have some liver that I will be using. Here we go. We are done cooking, guys. Look at it. So beautiful. Here is the amazing end of the result, guys. What are you waiting for? Now that you know how to make unripe plantain moi moi, make it for your family and friends. Bye. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share it in your page, guys. Bye. Enjoy your meals.